everyone, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this episode, I'm working on a 5x7 double page spread for my Autumn 23 mini album, and I titled this page Hello Autumn. I'm using the digital version of the collection Welcome Autumn by Carta Bella and lots of stamps and dies, and a stencil this time. So this is a layered stencil, and I decided to cut a whole lot of this video because it will get too boring for you to watch me do that whole page with a stencil, but I'm starting to just show you the beginning of it. Now, a lot of people prefer to use their stencils with stamping inks, and I have done so too, but in this case I wanted to give it a watercolor look. So I'm pulling out not my watercolor pencils because I haven't really tried that, but I'm pulling out just my normal watercolors, and I'm starting to color these stencils. This is a layered stencil, so they will go on top of each other. I've not really worked, I think until this page, I've not really worked with layered stencils. So here you see I've already finished a whole lot of these leaves, and I'm about to finish this page, just filling it up with the stencil. And now I'm adding that second layer that will give the leaves their I don't know, like the inside parts of the leaves there. So I'm just using a brown color for that, and again I will cut a whole lot because it goes really long. I also noticed that using the watercolor there's a lot of the watercolor runs underneath the stencil, but in the end I really did like the way it turned out, and I love the watercolor look and feel that you get from these stencils. I ended up not minding at all that some of the water or the colors started running underneath, and I started to get the hang of things with how much water to use and all that. Now there is water in my brush, so that would just mean to dab things off. But here you see the final result, and like I said, I do like the way it turned out, and so I don't mind, and it really has a watercolor look. Now I'm ready to go with the other page there. So the page that I just added the stencil to, or used the stencil with, I don't do much embellishing with, but this other side I want to actually put some photos and some just like treat like a normal scrapbook layout. The reason why I don't do anything much on the other page there is because it's just really busy already with all those leaves. So here I am putting these 3 strips of paper across the page, and these are digital products, so I print them out and then cut them out, and then they're ready to go. I usually run a card around the edges of all these so that they give a little more, they pop off the page a little better with the shading and stuff. Here you see I have already created a journaling spot, and I stamped on it, and then used I have some like planner stencils to create some journaling lines on which I can then journal. Now I'm ready to add the 2 smaller pictures there. They're just square. They're sized to fit some of my dies so that I can mat them or use as frames, but in this case I just decided to have print them as a normal square photo, so just to mix things up. Then I have a bunch of embellishment pieces that I mostly die cut. Obviously this is also a full-on collection that comes with a whole lot of things, but I didn't really need to print a lot of these. I just go with the die cut pieces there, and as you see, this one is a die cut piece that is kind of like a leaf banner, and it was all about the first autumn leaves showing up and me taking pictures of that. So here's a camera that I die cut and then watercolored, and adding as an embellishment, here is my title, and I decided to just simply put it on that orange layer of paper at the bottom there, and then all I pretty much have left to do is to add my word strips, which these word strips I create myself. They're easy to do in a word processing software, anything like Words. I'm doing it in Pages, and so that just works really nicely. Here I noticed I hadn't really trimmed one of them properly. I usually try to do that before I start with the filming. I print them on a whole sheet of A4 heavy cardstock so that they actually feel more like chipboard pieces. They're not chipboard, but so I print them and then I trim them and then I have them ready for use, but sometimes I still need to do a little trimming as I work with them. So here I'm trying to do something like 3 clusters of word strips, and so that's the only thing that will go on the other side there with that busy pattern paper is some more word strips, and that will be my page done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.